way up in the upstate of South Carolina, where the foothills lean into the sky, and a man can fire up a wood lathe on the front porch, and nobody calls the HOA. Jeremy dragged the lathe out front, said good, I just fine, but the porch is fun. Extension cord snake through the halls to bed, blue sparks jumping like the sunset red, right here in the upstate, red clay ground, Blue Ridge humming with a backwood sound. Man, old shop man said, what'll it be? He said, load up that hardwood lottery, hickory tough, pecan sweet, red oak swagger and white oak heat, front porch rattling, neighbor stare, sawdust floating through the Carolina air. It's an upstate porch late boogie, let it spin, spin, spin. March 21st is rolling in, Grace is smiling, Cindy says, woo, those faces look good, keep that thing true. 25 stacked and 11 just won. If he keeps that rhythm, they'll all get done. It's an upstate porch late boogie, son. Turn that hardwood, let it run. Cicadas buzz like a rhythm section, screen door keeps the cushion. He sands it smooth with a rebel grin, like he's polishing